they're doing. The cylinder's going to be over there. That's it. I wanted to see if we could fall at the top. There's the base. Doing all the got a few beds at the basement. I don't know if just that dropping all the soil there, ready to put the hotel. So the hotel can be where that basement is. The flats will be right where that tower is. That's why I've got a phone on. Loads of work being done. So, over there will be the pavilion. So, those are the two. There's the new market where it's going to finish. So this is the cranes over there, where the structure is over here. It's just going to finish off here where the new market is here. So carry on here. So there's more structure coming here. So it's been here for they've been here. They've put more structure here the last 3 days here. So see, so it's coming on very well. See, so. So it's coming on very well. You see, so there's been more and more structure here for the last few days. So there's the hall. I still think there's going to be like a standish structure here. So you see. More structure here. So, but in a few more weeks, it's going to be it's going to be coming on very nicely in a few weeks. All this, I think this is going to be more covered by December. To be honest, it's coming on too quick, a little bit. You see, so they're doing very well. So